Mahesh Babu all movies hits and flops. Number 1 Rajkumarudu collection 16 crore blockbuster. Number 2 Yuvaraj collection 12.5 crore hit. Number 3 Vamshi 7.15 crore disaster. Number 4 Murari 17.25 crore hit. Number 5 Takkari Donga 10.5 crore flop. Number 6 6.3 crore disaster. Number 7 Okkadu 40.1 crore blockbuster. Number 8 Nijam 17.7 crore below average. Number 9 Nani 8.6 crore disaster. Number 10 Arjun 23.9 crore above average. Number 11 Atadu 30.6 crore hit. Number 12 Pokiri 77.7 crore all time blockbuster. Number 13 Sainikudu 20 crore disaster. Number 14 Atidhi 35 crore hit. Number 15 Khaleja 32.6 crore flop. Number 16 Dukudu 102 crore blockbuster. Number 17 Businessman 95 crore blockbuster. Number 18 Sitama Vakitlo Sirumali Chettu 105 crore hit. Number 19 Nenokkadne 56.1 crore flop. Number 20 Agadu 64.1 crore disaster. Number 21 Srimantudu 200 crore blockbuster. Number 22 Brahmotsavam 63.7 crore disaster. Number 23 Spider 150 crores average. Number 24 Bharatane Nenu 225 crores super hit. Number 25 Maharshi 187 crore super hit. Number 26 Sarleri Nikevaru 260 crores blockbuster. Number 27 Sarkar Varipata 230 crores super hit. Number 28 Guntur Karam 212 crores average. Number 29 SSMB 29 upcoming film Varanasi budget 1000 crores. Comment how much it collects.